Hello, Kushi. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you. How are you?
How your exam went?
They
Sixth
went
semester, right?
well. Yeah, they went well.
So, say something about you in brief. This is all about.
Thank you for allowing me to introduce myself, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Khushi Lodha, and I'm from Udaipur, Rajasthan. Currently, I'm pursuing engineering in computer science from Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies, where my aggregate is 9.14 CGPA. I've done my schooling from St. Mary's Convent Senior Secondary School, where I secured 8.8 CGPA in 10th standard and 78% in 12th standard. Um, I have invested these 3 years in learning various technical skills. My technical skills include programming in C, C++, Python, databases. I'm also familiar with web development and chatbot development. I also know a little bit of cloud computing and machine learning. Using machine learning, I've developed projects like iterative management system. I've also developed chatbots, whether it be rule-based or using Dialogflow. I've also developed several other projects, and I also have a work experience of working as a trainee intern in 3 different companies. Um, Now my academic certifications include certificates of various completion on NPTEL and Coursera. Coming to my extracurricular activities, I love music, particularly instruments. I also like to dance, to write, and to draw. I'm an enthusiast. I love to work hard to achieve my goals. I'm a team player and a very optimistic person in difficult situations. Thank you.
Okay, good. What do you understand by NPTEL? What does it mean?
It's a certification course where you enroll in various courses and you enroll for giving exams, and then if you complete 20 credits, you get a degree of honors.
So,
It's
what kind of benefit students normally get if they do these kind of certifications?
it just shows the involvement of students and apart from curriculum studies in various certification programs. It shows how active a student was.
Okay. Normally, it is being conveyed by many of the industries that now the automation has come, right? And
Yeah.
automation is there in all the industries like manufacturing and others also. So how you can say that automation can be used in the manufacturing industry,
In manufacturing industries,
right?
um, like ev- in every industry, we require uh, developers, whether it be software developers. So using machine learning or artificial intelligence, there can be many scopes in automation.
What is the meaning of AR, VR?
It's augmented reality and virtual reality application on.
What is the difference between vision and mission?
Uh, Mission is the end goal of something that we want to do, and vision is how are we going to uh, reach to that goal.
Which is a narrow concept? Vision is the narrow one or the mission is the narrow one?
Vision should always be broad so that we could get all the possibilities of how we could.
What about your future plan? What you are looking for in the job?
I want a secure job where I could like uh, a software developer where I could like work securely.
Okay. Security means what? In many IT
So,
companies, there is no job security kind of things. It means that you don't want to go for the private jobs.
uh, as a fresher, I want to get into a secure job, but once I am stable in my uh, jobs and all, I could look for private as well.
Okay, somebody will give you 20,000 in a month and they will give you the commitment of 10 year of securities. And another organization is giving you 1 lakh in a month, but they are not given security for even a single day. What will you choose? and why?
It totally depends upon if I'm a fresher or not. If I'm a fresher, like right now, if you ask me, that then I will currently for sure look for job security. That is
Okay.
20,000 per annum.
Packaging salary doesn't matter for you.
Yeah, as of now, but afterwards,
After
it was surely.
experience, it
After
will matter.
experience, yeah, I know. Yeah, I know I could get into any company if I am experienced.
What the three things which makes you different from your other classmates?
Um, I have done internships. I
Many of
have,
them have done already done.
yeah, but um, I think I'm good at communication. I am confident.
So in your class, nobody is confident and having good communication.
I consider myself more confident than them.
What else?
Uh, I have like good communication skills.
This is only 2 point. What else? Third point I want.
The third is I've done internships and I've work experience already.
So why internship is needed?
Uh, for work experience to know how a corporate works.
Can you give me the name of 10 IT companies? The top ITs, 10 company.
Amazon, Microsoft, yeah.
From
Amazon,
India.
Microsoft,
From India.
okay. Infosys, HSBC, TCS, then Argisoft, um, then CoQ, no, not CoQ, then I don't recall.
HSBC is from India.
Oh, no, sorry. It's not from India.
What is the full form of HSBC?
I don't know.
Okay, Kushi. Nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, Kushi.
Good
So,
afternoon, sir.
hi, good afternoon. So, tell me, after passing out from Gitanjali, what is the job or role that you are looking for?
So I'm
What
looking
job
for a role of software developer.
software developer. So, what are the important skills that a software knowledge and skills that a software developer should have?
So programming. Then you should also know a bit of coding, programming. Then problem solving skills. Then teamwork, confidence, and you should always be open to learning new things. Should be a constant learner.
Okay. So tell me, so how do you rate yourself on problem solving skills? On a scale of 5 being excellent, 1 being poor, where would you rate yourself?
I think I'm an average, 3.
Average 3. So
Yeah.
what are you doing to improve your problem solving skills?
I'm currently working on projects, as well as I'm thinking of starting competitive coding.
How will that improve your problem solving skills?
In competitive coding, you're asking about competitive coding, right?
No, I'm asking about how will you improve your problem solving skills?
Okay, so if I in various platforms like HackerRank or CodeChef, there are problems. So we have to give the solution from our side. So that would surely improve problem solving skills.
So this is problem solving skills for coding, right?
Yeah.
So if you are writing a code, you become a software developer and you have written a code and it is not producing the results. So what will you do? That's a problem, right?
Yeah.
So how would you solve that problem? What would you do to solve that? What steps would you go through to solve that problem?
I could rewrite the code.
So how will you do what to rewrite?
if that code is not fulfilling what I really need to do, then I would like run the code and see the output. If it is giving me
Output
the
is bad. Output is erroneous. It's wrong.
output is
Output
wrong.
is
Yeah,
wrong.
right.
Right.
Yeah. So if we like, there are certain IDs which give us the proper explanation of what is the error in your code. So according to that, I would solve it.
Hmm. So you would look at, and if there's not much information coming which can help you, how will you find out what to what to rewrite in the code? And if you
One
rewrite
way
again, go ahead.
one way is always internet surfing.
What will you do with internet surfing?
I could like explain the problem. I mean,
To
search
people
for the to
and
people.
find
Yeah,
solutions there.
in such situations, the more networks you have, it helps.
Okay.
The more connections, yeah.
So, okay, fine. Why do you think learning attitude is important for a software developer?
Not only a software developer, I think, but in whatever role you play in your life, you should always be a constant learner. Should never stop learning.
But why is it? Is it more important for a software developer or it is not?
It is obviously because, as we can see, that in every decade a new technology, or even less than a decade, a new technology is coming. Like in the previous time, we used to use HTML and CSS to create websites, but now JavaScript and React are used. So if I'm not a learner, then I'm not no use to the company.
So what have you learned till last 1 year? New.
I have learned cloud computing, then machine learning. I am learning React.
Okay. So give me one example. You said you are good in teamwork, right?
Yeah.
So what is, first let's tell me, what do you mean by good teamwork?
For a teamwork, we should always have a cooperative nature. We should always be open to help a teammate.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you.
Right. All the best. Over to you, Mayank sir.
Khushi.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So briefly assure me that why should I hire you as a software developer?
So I am proficient in coding, be it C, C++, and Python. I have not so good problem solving skills, but I will surely improve them. I'm a constant learner.
So you said that you are a constant learner and you have learned only C, C++, Python, which is in your syllabus.
No, sir. I also know HTML, CSS. I'm currently learning React, and I also know web development.
All these are the basic technologies or basic terms that CS engineer should know. What is the new in your learning bucket?
I was learning Dialogflow.
What is Dialogflow?
It is like a natural language processor to communicate with chatbots.
So basically, Dialogflow is a tool of Google, right? Which is used to develop chatbot. And it is a simple drag and drop, and we have to order the responses. There is nothing
sir,
like
it's not no, sir, it's not a drag and drop. We have to give the commands to
commands. It is basically command. We have to select the command. We don't have to write any query type or any to write the syntax, anything.
Yeah, not the programming, but we have to write the command. Yeah.
You have to select the command, not write. Write is that you are typing, you are writing something. But select is the option is there. You have to only select that option, and you have to put in the order in which the chatbot that it should apply. Right. So did you made any chatbot of your own without using Dialogflow?
No, not
Using
without
Python
you.
or using Python or any of this Python library?
No, sir.
Because actual learning is in the code.
Yes, sir. So because like for the freshers, it's all only important to like learn the basic of programming languages.
Okay. So tell me the perfect any of the key point or any of the topic in which you are perfect. I know, because you are saying that you should be only restrict to the basic. So I will
And not
definitely ask
only
question
with
from the basic. I will ask the question from the basic. Tell me the topics.
so the C, Python, anything
Topic.
Python.
I'm not asking about the language. Language is the vast concept. I will ask only from the topic. The topic you feel is more comfortable in which you can answer approximately every question, or you are comfortable with that topic.
Command line arguments,
Okay.
exception handling.
Command line arguments in which language?
Python.
C, C++ or Java?
Python.
Only in Python.
In C++ also.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All the best.
Thank you.
Okay.